What's up guys, it's Brian from JP Cycles. Today we're going to show you how to throw in this Custom Dynamics ProBEAM headlight on this M8 Road King. Let's get started. First we need to locate the Phillips head screw under here. Back that out to remove the ring. Alright, once we get the ring off, this is a pretty quick install. We just need to take these 3 Phillips head screws out of here to pop off the headlight. Now, once you made it this far, ensure that you put your adapter and attach it to your headlight. Now, when you order your headlight, you do need an adapter, and this is going to be bike specific. Once you place your headlight in, you'll see that there's these square notches. We just line those up with the square notches here, and that'll ensure your headlight's straight. Place your ring back over the headlight and reinstall your Phillips head screws. And to finish it off, we need to put our ring back on. As you can see, this LED headlight, such as this Custom Dynamics, makes you a lot brighter and safer on the road. When you head over to jpcycles.com, make sure you use the My Bike Fitment to ensure that you get the appropriate adapter for this headlight. Now that you know how to do it, get out there and ride.